Would you like to know the secret to look young? Well, if that's the question on your mind, then you need to watch this video right up till the very end. Hi, I'm Imrana and you're watching IMP Pearls. IMP Pearls is my online jewelry store, and apart from my passion for jewelry, I'm also a trained makeup artist, and it's my deep desire to help women look beautiful and feel beautiful. So here I am. So today I'll tell you one of the biggest reasons why someone looks older, and also the same reason why someone can actually look way younger than their actual age. You must be wondering what it is. Well, here is the answer. Dark circles. Yes. So if you want to look younger, you need to get rid of those dark circles under your eyes. You know, we've all been there. All of us have had this problem at some point or the other. So it's not something which is unknown or something new. It's very much a common problem. And trust me, I realized the difference that a simple way, a simple trick, or you can say simple, well, not really hacks, but I would say simple steps that you can take that can actually take care of this problem. So today I'm going to share with you about 5 to 6 different easy DIY ways you can actually get rid of your dark circles, all within the comfort of your own home. So stay tuned, watch till the end, because at the end I'll share something where if this doesn't work, what's the last thing and a sure thing you can do. So let's get into it. So if you are one of those really lucky people who are just not who's blessed with great skin, and also more than great skin, who doesn't have the problem of dark circles, you're super lucky, and you know there's absolutely nothing to worry about. But like most of us, we always suffer from all these dark circles. So before I start, let me just share with you something which I'm really excited about, and then I'll get into it. So like I told you in my previous videos as well, so IMP Pearls, my online jewelry store, has now started a basket feature where you can pay, you can shop anything and you can pay from the comfort of your own house. And for your information, because of this gift season, this festive season, we've started a very nice gift collection which is really affordable and classy and trendy at the same time. So do have a look. There's always things happening. You can find something or the other and make someone happy, or why don't you gift it to yourself? You can make yourself happy. Okay, so now let's get into it. So visit the website in case you're interested, in ipearls.com. So number one way of getting rid, cucumber. Yes, it's one of the simplest ingredients you will find in your kitchen. So cucumber takes care of dark circles to a good extent, but just keep in mind all of these steps that I'm going to share with you, all of these 5 tips which I'm going to share. If you do them regularly and consistently, then they produce results. But even if you do it for 1 or 2 times, you can see a difference. But if you want really great results, you need to do it regularly. So take some cucumber slices. Number one, take some cucumber thick slices or medium slices, put them in the fridge for 30 minutes. And then apply them or just put them on your eyes for about 10 to 15 minutes and just relax. Imagine you're in a spa or something like that, a home spa. Everything this year is all home related or homebound. So you can just put those on your eyes for 10-15 minutes and then wash them off with slightly warm water. That's the thing you need to remember. Not hot, mind you, please, but slightly warm or water. That would help. Next is again, the second tip that I can give you is again with cucumber, but it's cucumber and lemon juice. So cucumber is a natural astringent and lemon is a natural bleaching agent. It naturally makes your skin a little fairer. So take some cucumber pieces and grind them into a paste in the mixer and add some few drops, 3 to 4 lemon drops. And then just take a makeup remover pad, a cotton pad, and then you can just apply, you can just dip it in this solution that has formed. Either you can squeeze out the water from the cucumber, or you can just take it as it is, just apply it on the pad, leave it on your eyes for again about 15 minutes and wash off with lukewarm water. Next, the third tip. So the third one involves tomatoes. Yes, you got that right. Tomatoes are, you must be wondering if this is a salad recipe or am I sharing tips, but trust me, all these natural things, all these vegetables, they have natural ingredients which actually can help you look beautiful if you do it regularly. So tomatoes have lycopene, that's a substance which helps in greatly in cardiovascular function, vision and your skin. It makes the skin really soft and supple. So tomato juice, and again we need to take lemon juice in equal quantities, mix them, again dip a cotton pad in it, and then you can just kind of apply it on your eyes, leave that cotton pad on your eyes for some time, 15 minutes and so, and then that should really help you. Next, after that we have potatoes. Yes, it's all about the power of vegetables this time. So potatoes again are natural bleaching agents. They have something in them which makes them lighten the skin. It's really good. It's a rich source of vitamin C. That's the other thing which is amazing for your skin. And here the other thing is you can take 2 potato slices, medium slices I would say, and take some yogurt or curds and just kind of just apply it on top of the slice, and then put that on your eyes again for about 15 minutes, and then rinse it with slightly warm water, or maybe you can just go for room temperature as well. Normally India is a hot place, so we do our room temperature water is kind of warm, so that should do. And then again potatoes are, yogurt again is a natural bleaching agent, and so is potato, so that's a double action. Okay, the next one is again tea bags. Yes, so guess what, your evening chai or tea actually can be used multi-purpose. You can drink your chai and you can use the tea bags. You can use any tea bags, but if you have green tea, that would be even better, because green tea has antioxidants, and antioxidants really kind of they rich in, they really help you get younger looking skin. They fight the free radicals generally, and that's how they help in anti-aging. So there you go. What you do is take a tea bag. Either you can use a used tea bag after your chai or tea time, or if you don't have, if you're not a tea drinker, I completely get that. You may be a coffee drinker, that's fine, or just a fruit juice drinker, that's also fine. So anyway, in case you're not a tea drinker, just take a green tea bag, preferably, otherwise any tea bag, dip it in water for about, soak it in water for like 30 minutes or so, and then leave it in the fridge for another 30 minutes. And then after that you can apply it on your eyes, and just leave it on for 15 minutes. Most of the time that you leave these things on between 10 and 15 minutes. And for the tea bag, when you soak it in water, have a look. It's sometimes 15 minutes is good enough for it to absorb the water in that. Again, so ice cold tea bags. And very easy, the last one is super simple, super easy. Just take some organic pure rose water, dip some cotton makeup removing pads again in it, soak them nicely, keep it in the fridge again for 30 minutes. So you have ice cold rose water cotton pads, and then put them on your eyes. So here are about 6 tips that I've given you. The festive season is just around the corner. We all want to look young and beautiful, and I think this is a great way to get rid of those terrible dark circles that make you look older. So another thing, if you are falling short of time and you don't know what to do, you don't have the time or the energy or the patience to do any of this, then I would suggest, as usual, worry not, there's always makeup to the rescue. And when it comes to dark circles, concealer and color correctors and concealers are your biggest friend. I completely get it. Maybe you're a busy mom or a busy working woman, or you don't know, whatever it is, you may not have the time. So don't worry. Just add put some concealer on. That always works. But I'm showing you how you can achieve the this no dark circle look over a period of time. But of course, this makeup is always the best and the easy shortcut. So I hope you enjoyed this content, and I thought of sharing all this because we all want to look our best in the upcoming festive season, festive days, and we all want to have great memories and great pictures. So I thought I'll just share something here. So if you like this content, please do like, share, subscribe, and also remember to visit our website untitled.com, because we have some great offers going on for this festive season. The gift section, the Diwali collection is a must. You must have a look at it, and I'm sure you like something. So all the best. Have a great festive, happy season ahead. Enjoy yourself, but stay safe, remember that. And in advance, wishing all of you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Thank you so much. See you soon.